So you just roll it down. Wait, sorry. I went down early before. Or try with 2 different things. Okay, perfect. That's gonna be the project. And of course, just ask the students what they thought about the project, which one went down first, and you can try different varieties of things that are gonna be rolling down. Okay, our last day that we're gonna be doing is why. Why? Okay, why did they play baseball? Well, because they had the supplies anymore. They said, let's go play baseball. Okay, another thing is a question within a question. Do you think Pete the cat was happy or sad when he struck out, dropped the ball, and messed up during the game? And the answer is happy. Why? Because he did his best. He did his best during the game, and he was happy about that. Okay, and I'm going to show you an example of why, to me, that question was very important for today's activity. Today's activity, we are going to be learning about social and emotional. Okay, we are going to be learning, and the kids should be learning how to identify their emotions, not only at school, home, but also within the community. Okay, so we're going to be learning that, and also we will be creating different activities. Okay, so after we have done the why, we are going to be doing 2 things. Sorry, my computer died. I don't know why it's doing that, but it's going to be in the link once I send you with the email. I'm going to be sending you a link which is an emotional link that's going to have include their physical activities. For example, the color yellow. The activity is going to be, okay, move up and down 5 times for the color yellow. Anytime you see the color, I'm going to have a screen, and once the colors show up, for example, the color green, you're going to go up or down 5 times, depending on what the color tells them. That's the activity that you're going to do. Similar to Simon Says. Simon Says jump 5 times for the color blue. They would jump 5 times for the color blue. That's the activity. Okay, but also that was the activity for colors. For emotions, the activity is going to be for the kids to learn how to express themselves in emojis. These are my version of emojis. Okay, we will be doing this activity. Come this way and I'll show you what we'll be doing. Okay, so for example, you will have your students, you will put these emojis down for your students at any order, no order in reality, and you will tell your student, okay, Miss Vegas, what emoji do you see that's happy? So I will find the emoji of happy and I will show happy, or I will show the emotion sad, or I will show the emotion angry. Okay, so these are the emotions that the kids are learning how to express themselves, but also say them out loud. So many times that's what they need to do. And our last activity that we are going to do for the day, which is going to include a small video, is showing our kids how to get themselves out of a situation when they don't feel the best. For example, if I'm frustrated because I cannot find a screw, okay? For example, the video is Elmo and his dad. His dad cannot find a screw because he's doing a shop that's also included in the link, and he needs 1 screw. He gets really frustrated. He calms down, and they say to themselves, I notice. I will write this out for you. I notice. Okay? I feel. I can. I notice, since I'm frustrated, I notice that I'm sweating because I'm frustrated. Okay, I feel angry. I can take a breather. After I find the object and I fix the solution because I found the object, because Elmo in the story helps Dad find the screw, then they go back and think, well, I noticed that now I feel accomplished. I noticed that now we finished our task. I feel happy, yay, because they finished our task, and now they can celebrate because they finished their task. And I will be sending you all this information, of course, in a slide. I made just everything bigger of who, what, when, where,